Hey guys, welcome to another tutorial of the Solution Journals. Today we will learn how to cancel your subscription on Amazon Prime. So the first step is you need to log in the session of your account, and in the superior part of the app, in the superior right corner, in the option of your profile, you need to go to the option of account and settings. You put here, and after that, you need to put here your in your in your account, and after that, you need to go to the option of Prime Video, your membership, and you need to put here an end membership. So after you put here, the only thing you need to do is confirm the decision, and in the next payment, you don't have you will don't have a subscription of Amazon. So this is the process. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Follow us for more content like this.